Hey, what's up, Wolfpack? I'm back again. Yeah, my mom's recording a YouTube video on my channel about. So if you can go check that out, it will be on my channel. Yeah, I got my phone back, and this is the charger. It's a brand new charger actually. You see, I'm playing Minecraft. So yeah, leave a like and comment down below. I am gonna make a TikTok video very soon, and I upload on this video. Yeah, my mom just made a YouTube video. Yeah, I'm proud of her. Yeah, pretty much. On my other videos, I walk down here. They get up. So yeah, just goes through 4. I got that. So I go to my channel. And yeah, we'll pack very much. Well, that me know. Enjoy that, please. Appreciate it. Just loading right now. Yeah, it'll take a long time. Get to my channel. Get my aunt. Just have some kind. It looks like it doesn't. Oh, because I am recording on the video right now. So it goes hang out. Yeah, Wolfpack. You want to say hi, Mum?
Hi!
Yeah, she just recorded a YouTube video.
Yeah, put the word out that your mother did a YouTube video, so
I know, I told them.
I
Go,
need to know what the videos think of it.
go check it out, please. This is on my YouTube channel. Check it out, Wolfpack. Yeah. Leave a like, comment below what we do next. So yeah, I'll see you later, Wolfpack.